In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know on how you can apply for the Facebook Reels bonus program. So before you can even see if you are going to be eligible for the Facebook Reels bonus program, there are two things you need to know and do right before. Number one is you have to post at least 5 videos in a span of 30 days. And this part is key. Those 5 videos need to be authentic and original, which means you cannot be reposting these videos from TikTok and Instagram and post them to Facebook. They need to be original content that you've just created for Facebook. And number 2 is that you need to have at least 100,000 plays on your Facebook page account, all related to Facebook Reels, because you want to be applying for the Facebook Reels program. Anyway, so those are the requirements for being eligible for the Facebook Reels program. To see if you are eligible for it and you have access to it, what you want to do is head over to this website right here. We'll leave a link to that in the description down below, but what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down, and then you can check eligibility and apply. So this is basically going to tell you everything you're eligible for and everything, all the tools that are going to be available to you, which you can then apply for. So this is really key. At the moment, you can see on this account, we're eligible for both of these, and then we also have access to the rest of these monetization tools. But unfortunately, you'll notice that the Facebook Reels program is not on here. So what do you do in that case? Well, luckily for you, if you click on that second link in the description, it's going to take you to this page right here where you can express interest in bonuses. So what you have to do is just enter in your name and your email, your page category and Instagram URL, and that's optional. And then here you'll see that you actually have the program preference, and this is optional, but what you can actually do is here you can see that you could submit for challenges or earnings, performance, or if you want, you can select all of the above. And once you filled out all that information, click on this submit button, and then your page will look a little something like this. So that's how you can apply for the Facebook Reels program. And if you don't have access to it, that's how you can actually express interest to actually be eligible to join these new programs which are coming out. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy that video, and if you did found it helpful, then smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.